Hi, it is so good to have you here with me. I am stocking up on my summer skincare. This is about the time where I make all the products that I use on my skin for the summer. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing this balm that I make. This balm has got to be the most luscious, moisturizing, beautiful balm that I make for myself or that I've ever used. Even though I say it myself, guys, it's one of the best balms you can ever use. With this balm, you can always be sure of these beautiful, luscious, soft lips. And of course, if you're in the habit of biting your lips or if you lick your lips too much, you cause a lot of transepidermal loss of water, which can lead to a lot of chapped lips. So avoid doing that. Instead, use this balm. If you use this balm for a few weeks, you really wouldn't have any dry skin to bite off to begin with. There goes the bad habit. It takes me about 20-25 minutes to make this balm, and when I make a batch, I bottle it in a small jar that I can use during my travels or that I keep in my bag so that I have this on the go for my lips or any dry area. I also jar it in a little bigger jar, and this is what I use at home, especially in the night. It's great for cuticles of your feet and hands as well. It's great for heels. You'll never have dry, chapped heels if you're using this regularly, and it's just wonderful for elbows. You'll never have those dry, caked up, dehydrated elbows if you're using this regularly. So the way to use it on your elbows or dry heels is to wash it off nicely, scrub it with a loofah or use a pumice stone to scrub it off, and then use this in the night. And this is made with all natural ingredients, so therefore it's not staining. And the best part is because they're so pure, they get very easily absorbed into your skin for this beautiful hydration and softness. So we are making this balm. Should we get started? So we're going to begin by measuring 7 grams of beeswax. We've got 4 grams of Camellia, pure Camellia cold pressed oil. Pure Camellia oil, which is cold pressed and of great quality, is very good in helping with darkened lips. It helps lighten them over a period of time. We're going to add 4.5 grams of Tacuma butter. Tacuma butter is extremely hydrating. And 14 grams, I'm doing a mix of argan oil as well as primrose oil. So that's 14 grams of argan oil and primrose oil. We've got 1.6 grams of rose wax. It's a very hard wax and smells really nice. Smells of those fresh desi rose. I've mixed all the ingredients together and I'm going to be putting it in a warm water bath for about 30 minutes till all the ingredients melt. We'll be basically looking out for the beeswax and the rose wax to melt. Now you can create your water bath at home by taking a little deeper pan and filling it up with enough water for this bowl to sit in. It has to be kept on low flame, so it takes about 25 to 30 minutes. It's important to make sure that the flame is low because that helps keep the integrity of the ingredients, especially the oils. What I also do when I'm making this balm is I add my favorite lip stain into the mix. It gives it this nice light shade and makes for a great lip balm with this faintest color to my lips. You could use your favorite lipstick as well. It makes for a great lip balm. So we have a bowl out of the water now, and as you can see, all the ingredients have melted. We have to make sure that we are stirring the mix continuously so that no blobs form as the mixture cools down. As you can see, the mixture is coming together, it's cooling down. So you'll have these little blobs form, but you don't have to worry about it. They'll all get squished as we cool the mixture down. Around this time, when the mix forms peaks and doesn't fall back into the container, is a good time to start bottling it so that you're able to get most of the product into the jar. I already have my jar disinfected and sterilized and ready. So I'm just going to start bottling it in. Tapping it helps settle the product well. And this is an extremely moisturizing balm, and as you can see, the stain doesn't show on your hands at all. It's creamy, it's great for cuticles and for elbows as well as for heels. And since the ingredients are all natural, they very easily get absorbed into your skin. And there you have it. This beautiful balm is yours. Till I catch you with my next DIY, be good to your skin.